Consider this question. AB, CD and CE are straight lines. The angle ACE is twice the angle ECD. What is the size of each of the angles? Let's go on to the next slide to show the solution to this. Well, let's consider this angle here, which is angle DCB. We can see from the sketch that that is 90 degrees. So if you look to the top right corner, you can see I'm saying angle DCB is 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, then we know that this here is also 90 degrees. So again, if you look to the top right corner, you can see I'm saying that angle ACD is 90 degrees. If we consider this angle, I'm going to mark it off as X. So we're letting angle ECD equal X. This angle is twice X. Consequently, we will label it as 2X. Therefore, angle ACE we can write as equal to 2X. Now, angle ECD plus angle ACE equals 90 degrees. Therefore, we can write this as X plus 2X equals 90, because we've let this angle equal X, and consequently, this angle is twice X. We can add the X to the 2X to give 3X, and therefore we will have 3X equals 90. I can divide the 3X by 3, and consequently the 3's will cancel, and this will leave us X equals. Of course, I will have to divide the other side by 3, and 3 into 3 goes once, and 3 into 90 will go 30 times. Consequently, X equals 30. Therefore, we can write that the angle ECD is equal to X, which is equal to 30. So this angle is 30 degrees. We know that the angle ACE is twice X, so this becomes 2 times 30, where 30 is X, and of course this will equal 60 degrees. Consequently, this angle here is 60 degrees. If we add this 30 degrees to this 60 degrees, we get 90 degrees, and we can see that that agrees with this calculation here. Consequently, we've checked our own workings.